Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y61, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on Notifications. Following that, scroll down again, click on Most Recent and select the best option for you, in my case, Most Frequent. After that, just click on an app from which you want to disable notifications, like Send Anywhere. Lastly, click on this switcher next to Allow Notifications to switch them off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!